Hello everyone, my name is Sonali. Welcome to the channel Success EduTech. Today we are going to learn about development from the lesson Plants Growth and Development. See what is meant by development. It is a term that includes all changes that an organism goes through during its life cycle. From germination of the seed to the senescence. Means life cycle is just like from the birth up to the death. So it includes all the changes that an organism goes through its life cycle. That is known as development. And for example, in plants, it is from germination of seed to the senescence. Now, it is also applicable for tissues and organs. Now, second one is what is meant by plasticity. So plants follow different pathways in response to environment or phases of life to form different kinds of structure. This is known as plasticity. Means while growing, plants follow a different pathway and it also form a different kinds of structure that is known as plasticity. For example, heterophyllum, cotton, coriander and larkspur. So if this plant is juvenile stage, then terrestrial habitat, then adult stage, then water habitat plants are also. And now, for example, in such a plant, the leaves of the juvenile plant, means starting plant or juvenile plant, are different in shape. Leaves are different in shape, but while it mature, the shape of leaves will change, and that is known as developmental heterophyly. Means shape of leaves are different, so it is a heterophyly. Now, difference in shapes of leaves produced in air and those produced in water in buttercup also represent the heterophylous development. It is from air, it is due to the water, so it is also heterophyly due to the environment. These changes are happening due to environment, so it is known as environmental heterophyly. See, this is the picture. Now, the growth, differentiation and development are very closely related events in the life of the plant. See, this is the changes. Development is regarded as the sum of the growth and differentiation. So, what is development? It is the sum of growth and differentiation. Development in plants, that is both growth and the differentiation, is under the control of intrinsic and extrinsic factor. This is the main. So what is meant by intrinsic and extrinsic factors? The intrinsic factors include both intracellular, that is genetic factor, which can enter from the plant to its progeny, or intercellular factor, that is chemical such as plant growth regulator. See, this is the genetic factors and chemical factor. The extrinsic factor means which it include light, temperature, water, oxygen and nutrition. See, this is temperature, then water, nutrition. Factors affecting development again. See, it's intrinsic and extrinsic. Then intrinsic factors are genetic and hormonal. Extrinsic factors are light, temperature, water, oxygen and nutrients. See the MCQ related to this topic of development. Development in plants is under control of intrinsic, second one is extrinsic, and third one is both 1 and 2, and then none of these. So what is the answer? Both 1 and 2. Then second one, the intrinsic factors that affect plant development are light and oxygen, then nutrients and water, hormonal and genetic, both 1 and 2. And what is the answer? That is hormonal and genetic. Third one, plants follow different pathway in response to environment is called plasticity, then heterospory, then elasticity, and then heterophyly. Now, what is the answer? Plasticity. Fourth one is hydrophyte with environmental heterophyly is Rhinosculus, then Delphinium, and then cotton, and last one is coriander, and the answer is cotton. Fifth one, final stages during development is elongation, then maturation, then cell division, and the fourth one is senescence, and the answer is senescence. Thank you very much.